How to restart Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to properly restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Whether you're looking to refresh your device or troubleshoot minor issues, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. 1. Soft restart. If your tablet is responsive and you want to perform a standard restart, press and hold the power side button and the volume down button simultaneously until the power menu appears on the screen. Tap on Restart and then confirm by tapping Restart again. Your device will now reboot. This method is useful for routine restarts and minor glitches. 2. Force Restart. If your tablet is unresponsive or frozen, press and hold the power side button and the volume down button at the same time. Continue holding both buttons for about 10 seconds until the device restarts. This forced restart can help you resolve issues when the screen is unresponsive. Additional tips. After restarting, ensure your apps are up to date. Check for any available software updates by going to Settings and Software Update. Regular starts can help maintain your device's performance. And that's how you can restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.